Welcome to my AI through AI YouTube channel and the Introduction to Deep Learning and PyTorch course. In today's video, we will learn: what is deep learning? Why is it important? And where can it be applied? What's the difference between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning? And finally, when should you use machine learning, and when is deep learning the better choice? So, let's start. Firstly, we see what is artificial intelligence. It is the broad field of research and development that allows computers to mimic human behavior. Think of it as the umbrella term. It includes various techniques, like rule-based systems, decision trees, optimization methods, and more. The ultimate goal of AI is to create machines that can think, learn, and act like humans.
So how is machine learning different from AI?
Excellent point. Machine learning is actually a subset of AI. It specifically focuses on algorithms and statistical models that help machines learn from data, no explicit programming needed. For instance, machine learning is what helps a program identify cats in photos by learning from thousands of labeled cat images.
And what about deep learning? How does it fit in?
Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It's where things get even more fascinating. Deep learning uses neural networks with multiple layers, mimicking how the human brain processes information. These networks are trained on large datasets to recognize complex patterns in data, like identifying objects in images, transcribing speech, or translating languages.
How can we differentiate machine learning and deep learning?
Okay, let's see this table which shows some important parameters to differentiate machine learning and deep learning. Major techniques used in machine learning are supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Whereas deep learning involves advanced techniques like convolutional neural networks and recurrent neural networks. Machine learning requires small to medium-sized datasets and works well with structured data. On the other hand, deep learning requires large datasets and is more suitable for unstructured data, such as images, text, and audio. Machine learning has moderate complexity. Deep learning, however, is more complex, as it uses multi-layered neural networks. Famous applications of machine learning are in fraud detection, recommendation systems, and predictive analytics. Deep learning is famous for applications like image recognition, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Machine learning requires human intervention for tasks like feature selection. Deep learning minimizes human intervention by automatically learning features from the data. Machine learning needs moderate computational sources, while deep learning requires high-performance GPUs or TPUs for training, especially when working with large datasets.
What are two major differences between these two approaches?
Great question. Firstly, use machine learning when you have smaller datasets and simpler problems. For example, predicting house prices or classifying spam emails. On the other hand, deep learning shines when you are dealing with massive datasets and highly complex tasks, like facial recognition, natural language processing, or autonomous driving. Second, major difference, you can say is that deep learning requires minimum intervention for extracting features from raw data. That wraps up today's video. I hope you now have a clear understanding of AI, machine learning, and deep learning, and when to use them. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, to stay updated with this series. See you in the next video.